About the dampening of the inner of the cabinet of the loudspeaker, it is really important that the sound waves will not resonate inside the loudspeakers and build up some unwanted waves. So we need to dampening the panels, and the panels are also supposed to be kind of deaf. They should not ring. You can hear? Yeah. So if I take now a panel with only one layer of felt already glued on it, it sounds a bit damper, also lower. The sound is lower and there is no... This is very deep. As comparison to the naked one, higher sound, some vibration. So we will glue now 3 to each panel in for the inner side, 3 layers of felt, a layer of 9mm felt on the inside. Before we begin with the dampening, I want to remind you that the felt I could find is a little bit lighter than Jean Hiraga's original build with 1500 gram per square meter. Our felt, the 3 layers, sum up with 900 gram per square meter. But I think this is still okay. But if you can get 1500 gram per square meter felt that has the thickness of 1 centimeter, oh, this is really confusing, then of course you should use that. Alternatively, we could actually just glue 1 or 2 layers more. But now for starters, we glue the bass reflex tube onto the baffle. This tube is 8.9 centimeter long, so you remember the thickness of the baffle plus the length of the tube sums up to 13.9 centimeter. Here are the 3 pieces felt I prepared for the baffle. The upper pieces are always 3 or 2 millimeters smaller than the ones below. The next step is to spread wood glue onto the baffle, and here it is just important to distribute it as even as possible. Of course, you don't need to overdo it to the extreme, but it is important that the felt will have a very nice contact over all the surface. Now it is time to take the brush. More skillful, please. And distribute the glue even to every corner. If you use basic wood glue, you don't need to worry about the brush, because wood glue is water soluble. That means if you forget about the brush and the brush turns hard, you just stick it into a glass of water and it turns soft again. Now it is time to put the first layer of felt onto the glue, flatten it well and see that the glue comes in contact with the felt. As better the glue will soak into the felt, as better will be the bond between felt and baffle. Now we distribute again some glue to all the places of the board, and if we do it nicely, the 2 pieces of felt on each other will feel as if they are one. Drawing ancient Maya or Aztec runes worked splendid. We flatten the felt once again and give the glue a chance to soak into the felt. Now we play this game once more. When you are done, you should let the glue dry overnight, and it should have some weight on it. The easiest way is, when you finished the second baffle, to put the felt sides both onto each other and let the reflex tubes reach through the speaker holes. Before we continue to glue felt onto the sides, the bottom and the cover plate, we must consider that we need to let a gap free 2.5 centimeter onto which the baffle will be glued to. Now we do the same procedure with the sides. Here you can see the upper pieces of felt are a bit smaller And here I show you where you should not glue anything, because there will be the cover, the bottom and the baffle. Then we do it again. Distribute some glue and put felt on it. With this we are finished with the dampening. Next time we will glue the panels together and we will care the backplate. For now, thanks for watching and see you next time.